Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Paulina Masliani Gobang, but you can call me Aslin, from class 12 science program. In this video, I will describe a tourist attraction in my area. I'm describing it simply because that's how it is. Hopefully, with this simplicity can make you like it. Here's the video. The natural tourism object is located in the village of Keindahan in the western tip of its Flores, which is so beautiful it attracts many visitors. The tourist attraction is a waterfall with a name commonly known among the public as Wairpoar. From Larantuka city to Keindahan village, the distance is about 61 kilometers with a time of 1 hour by cars or motorcycle. When we enter the village of Keindahan, of course we are still traveling to tourism places. Before the pandemic, when entering the village of Keindahan to go to tourism places, there were entrance fee for motorcycle, it costs Rp 2,000, and cars, it costs Rp 5,000. But during the current pandemic, there is no more entrance fee. The journey to the waterfall is done on foot from Keindahan village. This is done because the road conditions are narrow and uneven, so it is difficult for vehicles to pass and can only walk to get to tourist attractions. Entering the waterfall area, we are present with cool air that is immediately felt and very beautiful natural scenery with green trees surrounding the waterfall. Not only that, the forest atmosphere around the waterfall that is still untouched adds to the beauty. The height of the waterfall is approximately 80 meters, flanked by two steep cliffs above the surface of the river. The clear water flows along the river. There are so many large rocks along the river that can be a place to take photo of waterfalls and a place to relax. So, friends who are curious about this tourist attraction, don't hesitate to come here. That's all, and thank you.